Okay, so apparently if on the Samsung Galaxy phones, if you hit the button on the side when you're trying to rotate your phone to take a video, it starts recording with your hand over the camera. Just a tip. Anyway, thank you for joining me at Home with Jenny. Thank you for subscribing. I appreciate all of my new subscribers, all of my old subscribers. I appreciate you. You guys, I'm super excited. I'm totally pumped. I'm full of sugar. We have a Taste of Home Cake Crate by Kentastic Cakes from Tennessee, USA. This box is so good. I already recorded this, so it didn't turn out. Everything came out sideways. I don't know what happened. So hopefully this one works out. If you are over here from TikTok, thank you for joining me. I appreciate you. Let's get started. First, we have a cake in a cup. It's a vanilla cake with a caramel and chocolate buttercream frosting. It's all homemade. Everything here is made in his kitchen at his home. And this is what it looks like. You can see I've already taken a bite. Now I have to take another bite. Woe is me. Got to get some of the caramel out of there. This is what it looks like. Last time I dropped it off my fork. This time I'm not going to drop it. It's good. The cake is moist. The buttercream frosting is fantastic. The caramel, there's a whole layer of caramel right here. Oops, I just dropped my fork. Making a mess. Right here, that's all caramel. It's freaking amazing. Okay. You too can have this for, I don't remember how much it was. I just order month by month. I ordered this over a month ago. And I can't remember how much it was. I'm sorry. Okay. Next, we have a pumpkin spice cake pop, which I've already eaten, so, because I'm a little piglet. Here's what it looks like. It tastes and smells like really delicious, dense, moist pumpkin bread with a white chocolate frosting covering. And I gotta save those 3 for my boys because I ate 1 and there's only 4. So I'm not gonna eat that because I already did it in my other video. It didn't work out. But anyway, it's really good. So then we have the old-fashioned bakery-style chocolate chip cookie. And here I have a piece of it right here. It is very light and flaky and crispy and crunchy and chocolatey and amazing. It's so good. Then we have the s'mores bar made from s'mores cereal, chocolate, marshmallow, graham cracker cereal. Not s'more cereal. I don't know why I said that. Semi-sweet chocolate and graham cracker style cereal. We all know what kind of cereal that is. I did take a bite of it. My mouth is watering thinking about taking another bite. This is what, see, I took a big bite. It's just layers and layers of this graham cracker cereal with marshmallow and chocolate and what? Ken killed it this month. It's so good. It's delicious. Kentastics. I'm sorry. Kentastic Cakes by Ken. A Taste of Home Cake Crate. That's what this was. That's what it is. It's what you need to get. Just Google Kentastic Cakes. Make sure it's the guy that's in Cordova. I think he's in Cordova, in Tennessee. All right, you guys. I'll see you next month. Take care. I'll see you soon.